when I started learning the Moan technique as a dancer, it was like I came home because it's organic. It felt like home. It felt like this is a natural way to move. This makes sense. It came home to the pulling, enjoying, dropping, suspend, drop, suspend, drop, suspend, drop, suspend, drop, suspend, drop, suspend. Retaining your ability, the confidence, retaining.
Let's try to say it again. So retaining our confidence in our existing ability to move. Okay.